Hello students, myself Jimesh Shah from Knowledge Group Anand. In lesson number in 6th standard, lesson number 7 Subhashitani, we are already learned the explanation. Okay, now we will continue with the translation. The first verse is Hastasya Bhushanam Danam Satyam Kanthasya Bhushanam Shrotrasya Bhushanam Shastram Bhushanai Kim Prayojanam. For that verse is the translation of English, that one is the ornament of hands is donation. Okay, the ornament of the throat is truth. The ornament of ears is knowledge. Then of what use are other ornaments? ओके जैसे मैंने एक्सप्लेनेशन में की कहा था वही है, हाथ है जो हाथ उसका आभूषण यानी गहना क्या क्या है, डोनेशन है. उसी तरह से द ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ हैंड्स इज डोनेशन, द ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ थ्रोट इज ट्रूथ, द ऑर्नामेंट ऑफ ईयर्स इज नॉलेज. देन ऑफ व्हाट यूज आर अदर ऑर्नामेंट्स. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट verses translation. Second verses is Kaka Krishna Pika Krishna Ko Beda Kaka Pikayo Vasant Samaye Prapte Kaka Kaka Pika Pika. So that translation is a crow is black, a cuckoo is black. What is the difference between a crow and a cuckoo? When springtime arrives, spring season, we know the seasons are there, spring, autumn, okay. So when spring time arrives, a crow is a crow and a cuckoo is a cuckoo, because in the spring season the crow is speaking ka 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 only, and the koyal and the cuckoo also speaking kuhu kuhu. So when we listen that, then we differences between them, who is cuckoo and who is crow. Okay, second translation. The third translation, the third verse is yatha chittam tatha vacha, yatha vacha tatha kriya, chitte vanyam kriyayam cha sadhunam ekrupata. Just as the mind is the speech is, just as the speech is the action is, there is uniformity in the thoughts, speech and action of good people. Okay, just as the mind is, the speech is, just as the speech is, the action is, there is uniformity in the thoughts, speech and actions of good people. जो अच्छे आदमी होते हैं वो थॉट्स, स्पीच एंड एक्शन तीनों एक समान होते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट ट्रांसलेशन. सर्वतीर्थमयी माता सर्वदेवमय पिता मातरम पितरम तस्मात् सर्वयत्नेन पूजयते. मदर इज द सिंबल of all pilgrimages. Okay, mother is the symbol of all pilgrimages. Father is the symbol of all gods. Therefore must make all efforts to worship mother and father. Therefore must make all efforts to worship mother and father. Okay, and the last translation is सुखार्थी त्यजेत विद्याम, विद्यार्थी त्यजेत सुखम, सुखार्थी कुतो विद्या, कुतो विद्यार्थी न सुखम. A person who desire comforts, he must give up knowledge, and a person who desire knowledge, he must give up comforts. From where, how can one desiring comforts get knowledge? And from where, how can one desiring knowledge get comforts? Okay, द ऑपोजिट थिंग्स आर देयर, सुख और विद्या दोनों में ऑपोजिट थिंग्स यहाँ पे दिखाई गई है। अ पर्सन हु डिजायर्स कंफर्ट्स he must give up knowledge, and a person who desires knowledge he must give up comforts. From where, how can one desiring comforts get knowledge, and from where, how can one desiring knowledge get comforts? Okay, this is a translation of lesson number 7 Subhashitani. Now we will continue with the some exercise in next session. Thank you students.